Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy contracts on Fidelity. First, confirm your Fidelity account has options trading approval, which typically requires a specific application and approval level. Next, log into your account and locate the Trade tab, then select Options from the drop-down menu. You will then need to enter the ticker symbol for the underlying security you wish to trade, such as a stock or an exchange-traded fund. This initial step sets the foundation for exploring available contracts. Understanding the basics of options contracts is crucial before making a trade. You'll decide between buying a call option, which profits if the underlying asset's price rises, or a put option, which profits if the price falls. Next, select an expiration date. These can range from 1 week to several months or even years. Finally, choose a strike price, which is the predetermined price at which the underlying asset can be bought or sold if the option is exercised. Each contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying security. Once you have selected your desired option contract, it is time to place your order. You will need to specify the order type. A limit order is often recommended to control your entry price, ensuring you do not pay more than your specified amount. Then, input the number of contracts you intend to buy. Remember, one contract usually controls 100 shares. Thoroughly review all the details of your order, including the ticker, strike price, expiration, and premium, before clicking the Place Order button. After placing your options trade, continuous monitoring is essential. Your Fidelity portfolio dashboard will display your open positions, showing their current value and performance. To manage potential losses, consider placing a stop-loss order, which automatically sells your contract if it reaches a predetermined price. When you are ready to exit a trade, you can sell your contract back into the market before its expiration date, or allow it to expire if it is out of the money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.